If you sell clothes, this AI tool will blow your mind. In this video, I'm going to show you one AI tool that specializes in ghost mannequin pictures. Let's dive right in. Now, the tool we're going to be using today is called Snappy It. The user interface is super simple. I think even my kids can use this. So when you go to Snappy It, you have to sign up. Now, if you use the link in my description, you get 10 credits. Let me show you how it works. So all you have to do is first take pictures of your clothes. You can put it down flat, lay flat image, or you can put it on a hanger. I'm going to do 3 types of clothing for you to see how it works for all of them. So you first go to upload image, click on upload image, and then you select the item you want to use. Now the first item is a t-shirt. Now after the AI scans it to see what type of item it is, it gives you options of the view you want. Now there's a front view, there's a side view which is a bit angular, and then there's the back view. Right, I'm gonna go with the front view because that's what we have over here. We can also go with this as well for the side, but I think front is cool. Now also next we have to choose a number of images we want to generate. I think 1 should be good, and then there are 2 main options for the model you want to use. Now there's a cheap model which just takes 1 point or 1 credit, and then there's the pro model that takes 3. The pro model is higher quality, so we can start with a basic model and see how it is. For the next generation we'll go pro. Alright, so all we have to do is click generate and just sit back, relax and wait. The AI is gonna do its magic and we're gonna have our ghost mannequin image. Similar to other AI tools, you can do multiple things at the same time. Whilst we wait for this to generate, we can go to the next. But it's done. It's done. We didn't have to wait at all. And this is fire. Let me just zoom this in so you can see. This is really cool. So we have the image with the crest and all that, and see the creases are all gone. There are no creases. Now it's really simple. All you have to do is press the download button over here and it automatically downloads onto your device. It goes straight to your downloads. Alright, now let's go to the plus button on the left over here to do another one. So we're going to upload the image here again, and this time we're going to use a dress. It's a 1 piece, so we're just going to use a dress and see how this looks. This time I'm gonna go with a side. I will stick to 1 photo as we did before, but instead of the basic, I'm going to go with a pro model. It's gonna take more points, but let's see how it looks as compared to the other one. Alright, so now we are generating. This is one of the fastest AI tools I have seen, so that's really cool. And just like that, it is done, and I love it. It gave it a bit of a motion swirl. It is a twirly dress, so that's really cool. The quality is amazing. Oh my goodness, the details are fire. So yeah, download over here. The pro model does make it look a little more interesting as compared to the other model. Now let's not end there. This time we're going to upload pants. So a pair of jeans, and I specifically looked for the back view so we can do the back view of the jeans. I've clicked on back, 1 photo. We're just gonna go with a basic model, and then we click generate for our 1 point. Alright, so now it did give us the back view, but a bit angular, which is not bad at all. Give a bit of a booty in the jeans. I love it. It looks kind of dark in here, so we can try and make adjustments where we want to. That's where we have magic fix. So you click on magic fix. If it's one of these, you can just check it. If it's not, then you might have to manually describe the issue. Inner product too dark. So we generate with pro. They kind of look a bit like thermal jeans, which they're not, so I'm just trying to see if we can have that done. Alternatively, you can just crop it, which would be fine as well, but let's see how it looks. Alright, so it made it more denim, which is what we are looking for, because we don't want people to think these are thermal jeans. They're just regular jeans. So we're just gonna download this one instead. Alright, so this is how you use Snappy It. Now let's try one more using elaborate text. We want to see how it works with text. Let's try and use this hoodie. It has a lot of text on it. I want to see if the AI will be able to keep the text readable in the generation. So obviously we can't do a back, we'll do a front again, and we'll just do one image, and we'll just do basic model. All right, now the hoodie is fire. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So let's just zoom in. I hope something magical happens to you today. Absolutely. So we kept the text perfect. I mean, nothing changed. It's readable. It's right there. I love it. So we're just gonna download this as well. There's absolutely nothing to fix with the magic fix. We're gonna do the very last trial. We're gonna try and see if we can break the rules and see if we can generate a ghost mannequin image with somebody wearing the clothes. Alright, so we have a picture of a lady wearing a purple dress. Let's see if it's gonna allow us. Okay, so let's go side with this one. Let's go one image, and basic is fine. Wow. In no time at all, it generated the image. This is fire. Let me just zoom in and let's see. This is exactly the dress. And this is amazing. There's absolutely nothing to fix. All we have to do is click the download button and it gets downloaded onto our device. So this works for both lay flat images and images of people wearing the clothes as well. I didn't think this would work, but it did. The AI tool is called Snappy It. I have a link in the description to give you 10 credits for free. So you can do this 10 times, or if you want to go with a pro model option, you can do this maybe about 3 times, I guess. I'm gonna say this, I think Snappy It is the best AI ghost mannequin tool I have seen. I have tried about 3 of them, and this is the best. Number 1, this is faster, and number 2, it works both with lay flat and model images as well, and the results is so clean. So I'm going to be reviewing a lot more AI tools for fashion brands or for retail businesses, and most of these will come with some free points. So if this is your vibe and if you want to learn about these, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, drop them in the comment section. I answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.